It is July 3rd, 2021.
July 4th.
Wait, what?
Can I see?
Is that why it's called the 4th of July? Because it's on July 4th?
Yeah.
Learn something new every year.
Hello?
We have matching Mickey Mouse shirts. Cooper's having a panic attack, which is annoying.
I can't see.
Cooper.
I need to say hi too.
Don't ruin the holiday. We have matching shirts. Cooper, show him your shirt.
Pretty much I have to tell you guys we're going to Grandma's house to have lunch to do fireworks. Are we going to Olivia's for fireworks?
Yes, we're gonna do Grandma's house. We're having a barbecue there, and then after the barbecue, we're gonna go over to our neighbor Olivia, who lives right over that way.
And Colton. No.
And do some little fireworks over there. It's gonna be super fun.
And I have a Minnie Mouse shirt. We're going to do a barbecue at Grandma's and play there for a little bit and maybe get in a hot tub and take baths, and we'll go to Olivia's.
Nice. All right, guys. Well, we will see you at Grandma's house, okay?
Okay, then bye.
Okay, we made it to Grandma's house, and we're having lunch on this beautiful day.
Say hi.
And
Hi.
these two are swimming in their underwear.
Hi. We are at Grandma's. Me and Chloe and Carson had lunch. I had a hamburger, and Chloe Carson called a hot dog. You want to watch me go down the water slide?
Yeah.
Watch me.
Corona.
Can they see me?
Yes.
You watch me. Watch me.
Wow.
Watch me. Can you watch me? Do you guys want to watch me again?
Okay, go. Woo! Wow. And Cody's having a yummy lunch. Say hi, Cody.
Hot dog.
Oh, yum-ola. Look at, we all have matching shirts. Carter, show everyone your shirt. Say hi.
Uh-oh. Try it again.
Try
Again. Yum.
No, Carter, you want to do it? Feed mommy. Eat. Uh-oh. Try again. Try again. What are we doing right now, Coop?
We're going to do poppers.
Fireworks? Some kid fireworks?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the big pack that Grandma's got. Wow. And Carter, what are you wearing? You got goggles on?
Do you guys want to scan? And Cooper, you can hold this.
Melissa
and you guys
loves
stand
fireworks.
next to Cooper and I'll take
my
a picture.
favorite.
By far.
You want me to both hold it? You and Cooper. Come here, Carter. Come here, Cody. Cody, come here.
Put your finger on the trigger.
No, don't put that, Cody.
Here, come here.
Watch out, Cody.
He's okay. Come here. Here.
Not working.
Like this.
Yep. Pull that down, Cooper, and then you pull it. Here.
Oh, I'm
Not
scared.
yep.
Why?
And now, that's fine. Just.
Then pull the string
yeah,
away from
yeah.
other bodies.
Yep.
Pull hard. Don't pull it towards your body.
Did you pull it?
Oh, I have to go.
These are You just pull it back.
I
Yep.
had trouble too.
I'm not pulling it.
Pull the string, Chloe. Pull it harder. You have to pull hard.
There we go.
Pull hard. Point it away from Carter, though, please.
I want to do these.
Okay.
How we do this?
Here, I'll show you.
And after that, these ones.
Wow.
Whee!
What are you doing now?
Going to do this. Oh, it's
The
tough.
snappers? Yeah, those are kind of hard, huh?
These
You want to
are
do a
fun.
firework, Carter? Do you want to do one?
They're the snappers.
Here, I'll trade you. There it is.
Next is the poppers. So, Chloe, show us how those poppers work.
So, you get to the concrete and then have these little strings.
right here and just
And then you-
down.
Pow!
They go pop.
Want me to do one on my finger? Watch.
It's scary.
I'll show you. It's super cool. Give me one. Watch this, like this. It's getting you. Whoa, Carson, really? He just chucked the entire popper thing into the grass.
Oh gosh.
So none of them popped.
I see you.
Are those fun? Carter, you want to try?
No.
You take it like this and you... No?
No.
Okay.
Well,
want me to get in?
Those have already been done. You gonna blow that one up? Don't point it towards me though. Wow, Coop.
Here, of course, I'll get all these old ones out of the way, and then we'll find some new ones, okay?
Okay.
How's that sound, bud? Does that sound
Good.
Tell everyone what you're eating. Who made those?
Dad.
I made those. If you haven't seen our Rice Krispie video, it's actually gotten like 36,000 views. There's a recipe for these. It's a white chocolate and Oreo. They're like seriously perfection. Chef's kiss. Mwah. Chef's kiss. Mwah. What?
We're gonna go to Olivia's and have hot dogs and do fireworks. And we
So
just did
fun.
Fireworks.
And they do like fountain fireworks and big fireworks, right? Big, really big fireworks. Yeah, just wait.
It's dangerous.
Yeah, super dangerous. Well, enjoy your ice cream. It's hot out. It's currently, well, it's not as hot as last week, but it's 79 degrees out. And we are gonna get into this ice cream. Okay, now it's working, Chloe. Do you want to show us some of your fireworks?
You wanna watch me?
Yeah.
Separated all the kid ones versus the one that required fire. I'm like,
Blow it up, Chloe. Blow it up.
Let me see it. Oh, this one.
Oof.
That's Olivia.
Excuse you, Olivia.
and she was bending down here and she was like, and I'm like,
Where you going,
we all
Chloe?
heard that.
All right, I'm watching. Whoa. Woohoo. Pull. Yeah.
I wanna do it.
Pop.
Don't point it at me.
A whole bunch. I had like 18 boxes. Yeah, absolutely.
Are these ones?
Those are poppets too.
You ready? Okay,
A hen that blows up a balloon. Really?
Is that it?
That's how big the balloon got? So dramatic.
funny. That's funny. Yeah, it's going like. I like going this.
Am I gonna get in trouble for this?
Cooper. What? Oh, don't blow that towards me. Really? Watch this, Cooper.
Why wasn't
See, round 2 of the hen. I want to see it pop. All right, hen.
This thing's the best day ever.
Pop. It was worse than the last one.
It looks like an orange.
Watch out.
Wow.
Aww.
Gonna go in a row.
Oh my god.
You can kind of draw with it, but not too, yeah, nice and slow. Good job.
C A.
Here, Coop, try not to move, okay?
Oh, mine's sunlighting. Whoa, mine! They're not
Okay.
Oh, it's smoking. Hey, Dad, watch out.
Oh, I'm being safe. Trust me. Okay?
Good job, Carson.
Wow, Carson. Okay, I got a smoke bomb brigade. See if it works.
I'm excited. Look at you.
Let's see. All the smoke will be going.
Oh, that's
Hey,
cool.
Cooper, you might want to move, bud. You're gonna get smoked on. Even the smoke bombs are kind of a dud.
Yeah.
Really?
What the
Don't-
heck?
Much more.
I could barely hear because it was so loud. Yeah, me too.
What, the fireworks or the screaming? You guys are so funny. Easily entertained. Comes the wild snow cone.
Oh, these are snakes. They're snakes. So you light them and then they poop out as snakes. I mean, it's just a little fountain.
Yeah, not until it starts exploding. Well guys, 4th of July is over. We had a fun night and we're gonna go through with everyone and tell them what their funnest part was. Mine was just hanging out and eating food and junk food and having a fun day. Carson, what was your favorite part?
The loud fireworks.
The loud ones?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Hello.
What are we gonna do now?
And the blog.
Yep, and me and you were gonna play Mario, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Chloe, what about you?
My favorite, the big fireworks and and I'm excited to go swimming tomorrow, and I love the unicorn one. The unicorn one, it goes for 2 minutes. It just keeps going and going and going.
Isn't that cool? All right, Coop, you're gonna end it.
Hi Cooper, how are you? I'm pretty good, thanks for asking. Tomorrow we're going swimming at Nana's house, and everyone will be there. They're invited to go swimming like we are. And my favorite part was having hot hamburgers and hot dogs, and we did so much fun. We did the loud fireworks. Can we vlog when we're at Nana's tomorrow?
Maybe.
Okay.
But listen, who can tell me what the 4th of July is?
It's about the state of America. No.
But what though?
America. It's America.
It's what though? It's like a, what's special about it?
All right, you guys subscribe.
What is America?
America is something you celebrate for 4th of July.
Mm-hmm. Carson, what is 4th of July?
Let me talk.
It's America's birthday.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to America. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You say bye.
No, I've talked about it. What I just talked about. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to your channel and be good, you guys.